recently, a majority of state lawmakers here have rejected many of these same proposals. At the State House in Columbus, Jim Oddie, News Center 7.
And now, your Storm Center 7 forecast with Chief Meteorologist McCall Vrydaghs.
Hi, McCall. Much like the weather, I am quiet at the moment, but I will not be tomorrow.
No.
When we're getting the kind of weather that you're telling me we're going to be getting, I will be complaining a lot. For the record, everyone is.
I can't even use this four-letter word that you have in your forecast.
I know, snow, and then we're going to be looking at freezing temperatures.
Yes.
No.
It's springtime, I know. But you know what? While it is not something that we like to talk about, it's not out of the question.
Okay.
So let's just get through it really quickly here. And that's really what it's going to be. It'll come in, and then in a couple of days, it'll be out of here. So here's a look outside right now over downtown Springfield. All is quiet. We're sitting at 46 degrees. It is chilly, but not as cold as it's expected to be, in particular for tomorrow night. So on the way, rain arrives across the north on Tuesday. If you're in the Dayton area or south, we're going to go much of tomorrow without seeing anything at all. Then as we move into the evening and Tuesday night, we'll see rain pushing to the south and quickly changing over to snow as temperatures drop dramatically. That is because we're going to be looking at those numbers falling to near freezing, if not below freezing, by Wednesday morning. And that is why the National Weather Service has issued a freeze warning across the Miami Valley from 3 a.m. tomorrow night until 10 a.m. on Wednesday. So be thinking ahead. If you have any plants outside that you can bring indoors tomorrow or cover up, it would be a good idea to do so, because when we look at cold temperatures like this, that could be damaging or potentially kill some of our sensitive outdoor plants that we have. Lab Doppler 7, you can see there are already showers up across the far north. They're moving through Fort Wayne, up into Toledo. Generally just a cloudy to mostly cloudy sky throughout the Miami Valley. Bigger picture view, cold air is spilling in from the north. We have a low pressure that's just northeast of the Great Lakes. You get that big counterclockwise flow, and that's what's pulling in that cooler air and will push this front along. Notice even on the west side of this front, snow is already falling in southern Iowa and northern Missouri. So let me show you futurecast and take you through the timing here. Monday night into early Tuesday, tonight into early Tuesday, we have some spotty showers perhaps across the north. At 6 a.m., meteorologist Kirsty Zantini will be tracking these showers in Wapakoneta, Salina, and Winchester on daybreak edition. Still those showers in the northern Miami Valley through lunchtime. So as I mentioned, Dayton, Eaton, Springboro, Xenia, dry through midday. 5 o'clock. Now we're starting to see that transition over to snow, but again, it's mainly across the far north. Eventually, this front will be pushing south. By 8 o'clock, we're tracking snow moving into Wapakoneta and Sydney, and then taking over the Dayton area by this time tomorrow night. I'll be talking about it on WHIO TV tonight at 11. Snow showers persist through the night, and by 5 a.m. on Wednesday, we see the snow showers tapering off, and this is exiting to the east. Wednesday afternoon, a mostly cloudy sky, but might see an isolated passing shower or flurry as we move into early Wednesday night. So how much snow? This is what I see. Salina and Wapakoneta might see up as 2 to 3 inches perhaps. 1 to 2 for Bellefontaine, Sydney, Troy over to Greenville, and then Dayton and south about an inch or less. So the further north you are, you see the snow coming in earlier and lasting longer, and that's why you see more snowfall. All of that said, though, we are in the spring season, so I expect our roads to actually be in decent shape. Might see a little bit more coating on those grassy and overpass surfaces, those elevated surfaces. So out the door in the morning, grab the jacket and the long sleeves. Might need the umbrella if you live north or you work north of Dayton. For the rest of the day tomorrow, we'll climb to about the upper 50s and then fall back into those 40s. That's Dayton. If you're up in Salina and Wapakoneta, you're only going to be in the 40s throughout the day and then quickly dropping into the 30s once that precipitation moves in. On Wednesday, 44 degrees. We wake up near freezing, wind chills in the 20s Wednesday morning and Thursday morning. Might see an additional freeze warning there. Start to warm back up, though, as we move toward the weekend.
Yikes, I just still am not looking forward to that snow. Thanks, McCall. Today, Dayton Mayor Nan Whaley officially said she wants to be your next governor here in Ohio. She made her formal announcement on YouTube, showing people statewide a bit